Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Legal Challenges of AI, Tort Liability and Responsibility. Artificial intelligence has permeated various sectors, leading to unprecedented innovations and efficiencies. However, with these advancements come significant legal challenges, particularly in the realm of tort liability and responsibility. Tort law, which deals with civil wrongs causing harm or loss, is crucial in addressing the accountability of AI systems. The complexity of AI technologies, characterized by their autonomous decision-making capabilities and the potential for unforeseen outcomes, raises intricate questions regarding who should be held liable when AI systems cause harm. This lesson explores these challenges, offering a detailed analysis of the legal frameworks and considerations pertinent to AI governance. AI systems, unlike traditional software, can operate independently and make decisions without human intervention. This autonomy complicates the attribution of liability. Traditional tort law relies on identifying a human or corporate actor whose actions directly caused harm. However, AI's decision-making processes often lack transparency, making it difficult to pinpoint responsibility. For instance, if an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, attributing liability to the manufacturer, the software developer, or the vehicle owner becomes contentious. The principle of foreseeability, which is central to negligence claims, is particularly problematic. AI systems can learn and evolve in ways that even their creators cannot predict, challenging the notion of foreseeable harm. One of the primary legal doctrines in tort law is strict liability, which holds parties responsible for damages caused by their actions regardless of fault or intent. This doctrine could potentially apply to AI technologies, particularly in high-risk areas such as autonomous driving or medical AI applications. For example, if a surgical robot malfunctions and causes injury, strict liability would hold the manufacturer accountable, simplifying the process for victims seeking compensation. However, this approach may stifle innovation, as developers and manufacturers might be discouraged by the prospect of inevitable liability. Product liability is another relevant area of tort law. Traditionally, product liability covers manufacturing defects, design defects, and failure to warn. The application of these categories to AI is challenging. Manufacturing defects are relatively straightforward, but design defects and failure to warn are more complex. AI systems are designed to learn and adapt, meaning that a system's harmful behavior may not be present at the time of sale. Furthermore, providing adequate warnings for AI systems is difficult, as the potential risks may not be fully understood even by the developers. The dynamic and adaptive nature of AI necessitates a reevaluation of product liability standards to ensure they are fit for purpose. Comparative negligence is another concept that may be relevant in the context of AI. This doctrine reduces the liability of the defendant if the plaintiff is found to be partially at fault for the harm suffered. In the case of AI, if an end user fails to follow instructions or misuses an AI system, their actions could be considered contributory negligence. For instance, if an individual overrides an autonomous vehicle's safety features and subsequently causes an accident, their contributory negligence could mitigate the liability of the manufacturer or developer. This approach, however, requires clear guidelines on the proper use and operation of AI systems, which are often lacking. The concept of AI personhood has also been proposed as a potential solution to the liability conundrum. This idea suggests granting AI systems a form of legal status similar to corporate personhood, which would allow them to be held liable for their actions. Proponents argue that this would simplify liability issues and align legal responsibility with the entity making decisions. However, this concept is highly controversial and raises numerous ethical and practical questions. For instance, how would an AI system fulfill its legal obligations, and who would oversee its compliance? While intriguing, the notion of AI personhood remains speculative and faces significant hurdles before it could be implemented. The European Union has been proactive in addressing the legal challenges posed by AI. The European Commission's proposal for a regulation on a European approach for artificial intelligence aims to create a comprehensive legal framework for AI, emphasizing safety, transparency, and accountability. This proposal includes provisions for high-risk AI systems, requiring rigorous testing, documentation, and oversight to ensure compliance with safety standards. By establishing clear guidelines and responsibilities, the EU seeks to mitigate the legal uncertainties surrounding AI and provide a robust framework for liability and responsibility. Pathing. In the United States, legal responses to AI liability have been more fragmented, with individual states implementing their own regulations. For example, California's autonomous vehicle regulations require manufacturers to obtain a permit before testing or deploying autonomous vehicles, ensuring that they meet specific safety standards. However, there is no comprehensive federal framework addressing AI liability, leading to inconsistencies and gaps in legal protections. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has issued voluntary guidelines for autonomous vehicles, but these lack the enforceability of formal regulations. Insurance is another crucial aspect of managing AI-related risks. As AI systems become more prevalent, the insurance industry must adapt to cover potential liabilities. Traditional insurance models may not be adequate given the unique risks associated with AI. For example, product liability insurance for AI developers and manufacturers must account for the evolving nature of AI systems and the potential for unforeseen harm. Additionally, new insurance products, such as AI-specific liability insurance, may be necessary to address the unique challenges posed by these technologies. The legal challenges of AI liability and responsibility extend beyond national borders, necessitating international cooperation and harmonization. The global nature of AI development and deployment means that legal frameworks must be consistent and interoperable to be effective. International organizations, such as the United Nations and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, have recognized the need for coordinated efforts to address AI's legal and ethical implications. By fostering collaboration and establishing common standards, the international community can better manage the risks associated with AI and ensure that liability and responsibility are appropriately addressed. In conclusion, the legal challenges of AI in the context of tort liability and responsibility are multifaceted and complex. The autonomous and adaptive nature of AI systems complicates the attribution of liability, necessitating a reevaluation of traditional legal doctrines such as strict liability, product liability, and comparative negligence. Proposals such as AI personhood and comprehensive regulatory frameworks, like those being developed by the European Union, offer potential solutions, but also raise new questions and challenges. As AI technologies continue to evolve, the legal frameworks governing their use must also adapt, ensuring that they provide adequate protection for individuals and society while fostering innovation. International cooperation and harmonization will be essential in addressing these challenges and creating a robust and coherent legal landscape for AI. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.